Uned 13, Fideo 2. The Welsh word for the verb to have something is cael. When we have learned how to ask if we can have something, we have used a form of the word cael when asking ga I. The answers to the ga I question is also forms of cael. Cei, meaning yes, you may have, and na chei, meaning no, you may not have. In this unit, however, we will be using a pattern where the verb cael does not change into any other form. It stays as it is. The pattern we'll be looking at is one where we can say who will be having what. It means the same as who will be getting what. This is a fairly simple pattern that you can use for a question or in a sentence, as words follow the same order in both. Look at the explanation. To say who will be having what, this is how we do it. Person plus cael plus what they are having. To explain further, if you wanted to say that you are having some toast, you would say, dwi'n cael tost. If you wanted to ask a child if they are having new shoes, you would ask, wyt ti'n cael esgidiau newydd? And to say that Jack is having a new ball, you would say, mae Jack yn cael pêl newydd. Arbennig. Moving on to answering a question, if you wanted to ask if Archie is having his birthday, you would ask, ydy Archie yn cael pen-blwydd? To say that Archie is indeed having his birthday, the sentence is, mae Archie yn cael pen-blwydd. But to say that Archie is not having his birthday, you would use the negative pattern. Dydy Archie ddim yn cael pen-blwydd. Remember that this has a different meaning to when we use a pattern that contains gyda to say that we already have something. For example, mae brawd gyda fi. You would use that sentence to convey that you already have a brother. Mae brawd gyda fi. This pattern using cael is used to discuss having something in the future, or if someone is getting something. So if a child were to say, dwi'n cael brawd newydd, it means I'm having a new baby brother. it has totally different meaning to my brawd gyda fi, which, as we have already learnt, means I have a brother. Da iawn, bawb.